Hello nears and dears, welcome to Saturday Dan Quiz. Today's first question: which instrument is used to measure electric current? So it is an ammeter. When the reading of a barometer goes down, what does it indicate? So it indicates the possible rainfall. The nautical mile is a unit used to measure distance in which field? So it is used to measure distance in navigation field. What is the unit to measure atmospheric pressure? Here it is given in bar, so it is metric system, but in SI system it is Pascal. An inch is a unit of length in the imperial system, from which human body is it derived. So it is derived from the thumb. What is the standard symbol or abbreviation for the measurement pound? So it is abbreviation is LB. The metric system was first introduced in which historical event? So it was first introduced in French Revolution. One byte typically consists of how many bits? So it consists of 8 bits. The prefixes Mili, deci and centi and the metric system stem from which language? So it stems from Latin language. Which unit is originally defined as the area of land that a pair of oxen would plow in a single day? So that unit is acre.